What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. I got a lot of requests to do tutorials, but like long video. So I'm doing it and you just pausing the video and you're doing with your equipment. So today is a Zimo programmer. Actually, it's like the whole concept. It's a lot of stuff. I know you're probably saying, AK crazy, you putting a lot of complicated. That's what we're doing. So you're on DCC Train live channel, because if I'll do this on DCC Train, I don't think so it's gonna work. But this is for long videos or long broadcasts. Let's get started. So what we have here, the goal is to program that Zimo decoder with sound file and adjust some parameters. Also need update firmware, because Zimo usually updating firmware of the decoder in a regular basis, 3-4 months, something like this, maybe even faster. If they see some bugs, they try to, of course, fix that stuff. So what we have here, Zimo programmer, Zimo tester. Don't need to be Zimo, can be ESU, or you just hook up your bulbs, motor, or whatever you're doing to decoder directly. But this is easy for me, and you will see later. So power supply, that's I believe it's Digitrax 14 volts, 14.9 volts. It's perfectly fine. That's MS series, new series decoder for bigger locomotives. Thumb drive can be any thumb drive. I got it with the programmer, so that's how I'm going to upload the sound file. There are different ways, and this is very important thing. I'm going to hook up the programmer to the computer. Couple of supporting things. At this point, I need only 4 wires, so different colors. It helps me a lot. At least, you know, some power supply wire coming with like white cover on it, so you can use those, but better just get different colors. Okay, this is adapter to plugging in to here to the programmer, so the power can be 10 to 16 volts AC, 10 to 16 AC, 12 to 20 DC. Okay, so theoretically you can hook up to your layout. Yeah, sometimes I'm doing it. So this is output from the decoder. This is, decoder programmer. This is input to the tester. Very nice button. The only one thing I don't like it's not showing me when it's on or off. But if it's power going here, there are 2 LEDs, so they light up. Okay, and this is the cable to connect these guys together. And they looks like identical, but they're not. They're a little bit different, just half of millimeter different. So that plug comes with the programmer. All right, so here we go. In later we need more wires, because I'm going to hook up different functions and adjust them. So I have and I need more actually. That's those different wires. So I have also for the speaker, I'll use brown wires from ESU, so not messing around, because ESU Zimo using that violet wire for speaker output. Be careful with this, and it's not recoverable. So if the output of the Zimo decoder didn't happen with this guy, but happened with HO decoder. Okay, here we go. Put this stuff. Yeah, so I already took the insulation from those wires, and you need like screwdriver for the decoder. Of course, I already prepared it here, but it's disappeared on me. Here we go. Sorry about that. This Wiha. Okay. Now, all videos with a tech bench right now in 4K, which is cool. All right. Let's start with put that a little bit on the side, and can plug in to the wall. That's fine. All right. So I'm going to connect decoder to the tester. Easy peasy. Let's zoom a little bit more. Here we go. So that gives you a little bit more time to, like, you get your stuff and start working with me. Can pause it and all right. A while ago, Zimo, ESU tester, they have those, I don't know which one best, with the screw terminal or like this. I don't know why ESU get rid of it. They start using just a screw terminal. I think I have the, here I go. That's the, of course we're selling them, yeah. That's ESU tester. But you need a tiny, tiny, tiny screwdriver. This will be different Wiha. So, not that. Actually, this will work too. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it should work. Okay. I'm using Zimo today. I turn programmer and the decoder so you can see better and a little bit zoom on it. Here we go. So let's start with the power. Pickups. Yeah, I'm using this just protect better, and it's very easy to do. All right. Black, and again, doesn't matter. So it's SR and SL here. So second, and red will be third. Tell me if you like that format, so you don't need to pause the computer just maybe a few times, just doing what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay, and catch up later. So the terminal for pickup on the decoder right here, S R E and SLIE. It's clear in the manual. You can download it, of course. Yeah. You guys probably laughing when AK is saying about manual, but yeah, it helps a lot. It's a lot of on that decoder. It's like most advanced decoder, I believe. So plugging in, make sure it's good. Be careful with you need to like unscrew the terminal fully, or you can mess up between like open area. See, this is already open, but this is like halfway. Happening when you just unscrew a little bit, take the wire and try to plug it in, it will go like under the metal, which is sometimes it's connecting, sometimes it's not, because the small thing like I don't know how to call it, metal piece just going up. Okay, so we are on SRE, so it's the second one you can solder here. Same thing with the motor, because it's a lot of amperage going on here. So we got pickup. All right, hope it's not complicated. Shouldn't. Okay, now that speaker LS, two of them, we need motor plus and minus. Again, motor negative will go to the gray wire. When I'm here, I'm just doing the orange one too, and this is the plus. Here we go. Yes, great. Oh, this is actually shorter wire. I cut them specifically for different terminal. This is longer. That's what you need, like about 7 millimeters, 8 millimeters, sorry, in inches. It's not good in inches for me. I cannot calculate like 16 of 32 or whatever. No, 8 millimeters, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. But that's thing like in inches. Anyway, I don't know, Canada turned to metric system. I'm not sure what's happened with US. All right, so negative or positive, again, guys, doesn't matter. We just need to test it. Okay, that's plus, that's actually minus, and orange is plus here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, one is empty, and next one. Here we go. M plus. All right. M plus. Okay, nothing missing. Everything's cool. Yeah, 1 plus for the motor. Actually, use soldering if it's like you have a good motor, big one. Okay, a lot of amperage going on. So just put it like that. Close, you can see. The camera is catching, but not really the LEDs, you know. So I'm testing it with my lens system. You can hook up to the computer, but I'm just like too cautious. I'm doing always using lens. Or if you have Sprog or yeah, something low output, or Rocco system, and programming on programming track, just to test it, make sure it's all connected, everything's cool. So let's go with lens. I'm on a programming track, F8, program direct address. Takes a little bit longer than MX decoders, and the motor not moving at all. So 003, we good. And I'm going to test it right now. So I'm changing my programming track to main output. With the lens, I'm escaping from programming mode to mode, operational mode, let's say that. You maybe see some LED here, yeah, kind of, yeah, those glowing LEDs. And you'll see the motor too moving. Okay, let's make it close. Just be careful. Make sure wire's not crossing. Okay, you probably see something going on. Yeah. And here we go. No speaker, no nothing. Motor is working. Address 3 default. We good. Also, both sides here, the motor output LEDs as well. If I'm just stopping, changing direction, one is yellow, one is red. When I'm putting like a lot of juice, it's not really changing, a little bit. All right, that's connection of Zimo MX decoder to the tester. Next step will be connecting programmer to this and to the computer. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Links all in description, and I'll make them in comment as well. Have a good one. Bye bye.